On this special day, we wanted to make sure and wish you all a very Merry Christmas. We hope that you're enjoying all of your family and friends. You're getting to watch them smile and their eyes light up as they get to see you and spend quality time with you. Christmas is one of those days where quality matters. Hensley Homes is the same kind of place. Quality matters to us. When we build a home for you, we want to make sure that it's like the very best Christmas present you've ever picked out in your life. So making sure every detail is how you would like it. Every feature will be well thought out. All storage areas will be maximized. The materials used will come from the highest quality. All of these things are things that are put into a Hensley home. We want to make sure that this home lasts for years. And it's a gift that you could actually give to your children when you're gone. Homes like this, they can go from generation to generation, and there is a peace and a coziness that will allow them to enjoy this for many, many years to come. When a Hensley home is made, it's made from amazing craftsmanship and a design that fits who you are and how you want to live. With this detail, that allows you to have the home that you will live in for many years. And this is what we want here at Hensley Homes. We want you to live in one of these for as long as you can.
Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you've had a wonderful day.